Hello, beautiful people. We are excited to partner with you because we believe in you. We want to help unlock your full human potential so you can have and live your best life now. You can do this, and best of all, you're not alone. We are all in this journey together. We are all going up against things that feel so big, but knowing that we are not alone makes all these challenges seem smaller and easier. Hit your refresh button because everything you desire is available for you. Your role in life is tangible and no one can stop you. Let the energy and light flow in so that you can be all that you desire to be. Let's get into it. Affirmations for prosperity and abundance. Wealth floats around me daily. Every day I am becoming richer and richer. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Wealth constantly flows into my life. My actions create constant wealth, prosperity, and abundance. I am a money magnet. Money is drawn to me. I am attracting money at this very moment. The money I contribute always comes back to me multiplied. Everything I touch turns into gold. I am ready and able to receive unexpected money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I deserve to make more money. I am open and receptive to all wealth life brings me. My actions create constant prosperity. I constantly discover new sources of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth into my life. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. I have a wealth mindset. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I am wealthy. I always have more than enough money. I attract money to me. New sources of prosperity flow into my life with grace and ease. When I feel good about the money, I attract it. I am choosing better thoughts about money right now. My mind is open to the infinite supply of wealth. I allow prosperity to flow freely and generously into my life. I manifest money quickly, in increasing amounts, with great fun and ease. I am now ready to accept immense material and spiritual wealth. I am the creator of poverty and wealth. I feel marvelous as a rich person. Wealth is pouring into my life. Large amounts of money are coming to me in ever-increasing amounts. I am grateful for everything that I receive. Today, I am attracting wealth, abundance, and well-being. My wealth shines from within me. I create an avalanche of financial abundance, and I give back in amazing ways. I release every block that held me back from receiving prosperity. Wealth flows to me from all directions. I am financially abundant, and money comes to me naturally. Riches flow through me like the waves in the ocean and comes back again. I only think thoughts of wealth and abundance. I am a wealthy entrepreneur who is living life on my own terms. I radiate wealth, abundance, and prosperity. My riches are forever increasing as I give more of myself in service to the world. I have the right to be rich. I exist to have a rich life and to be happy, fulfilled, and brilliant. I have a fulfilled, happy, and progressive life. I have the right to develop and grow. I love to be surrounded by beauty and luxury. This is my everyday reality. My money settled my needs and gives me beauty, luxury, wealth, and elegance. My money reaches my needs and gives me beauty, luxury, wealth, and decency. Life's instinct in me strives for a luxurious life. This is my natural need. I have more than I need. In every area of my life, money flows to me. I am wealthy. Money is a state of mind that supports me. I allow prosperity to enter my life at a higher level than ever before. At this very moment, enormous wealth and power are available to me. I choose to feel worthy and deserving. I pay my bills with love, and I rejoice as I write out each check. Abundance flows freely through me. I am free to choose. Every day, in every way, my wealth is increasing. I have a surplus that I share freely with others. Wealth is my birthright, my natural state of being. Whatever activities I perform make money for me. Prosperity comes to me quickly and easily. Money creates a positive impact on my life. I deserve to be abundant. Every day I am attracting and saving more and more money. My prosperous thoughts create my prosperous world. I love money. Money loves me. I am a magnet for money. The prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. I attract money beyond my wildest dreams. Money is the root of joy and comfort. My money works hard for me to make me more and more money. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. Money expands my life's opportunities. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I have enough money to pay my bills. Somehow, the money lasts longer and doesn't slip through my fingers anymore. I'm going to save more money than I spend. I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. Money comes to me in easy ways, unexpected ways, and for what I truly love doing. My birthright is to have enough money and do whatever I want with it. Enough money will cover everything I want to buy. I will receive enough money in ways that I love. I am attracting enough money to come to me in ways that I love. All the time I'm putting into my dreams is going to pay off. I open my heart to accept all the abundance that I have at my disposal. I cease to deceive myself and accept that my failure, poverty, is my own creation. Always and forever, I attract everything I desire, and I am attracted to everything I want. I constantly contribute to the success of others, and that makes me happy. There are always plenty of treasures coming to me without any effort. Now, I create wealth and success. Wealth and success. Wealth and success. I like money. I love it. I use it wisely, constructively, and judiciously. Money is constantly circulating in my life. I release money with joy, and it returns to me multiplied in a wonderful way. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance. By day and by night, I am being prospered in all of my interests. I am a magnet for money. The prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. I release all resistance to money, and I now allow it to flow joyously into my life. I think big, and then I allow myself to accept even more good from life. I am a happy, healthy multimillionaire. I am creating unlimited wealth. I am at peace with millions of dollars. My prosperity is increasing every day. My prosperity comes from divine intelligence. I am divine intelligence. I see myself living in limitless abundance and prosperity. Infinite intelligence guides me in my financial transactions. I am so grateful for the millions of dollars in my life. I am a healthy, kind, loving, generous multimillionaire. I create my millions by doing what I love. I use the money for good, and I am grateful for my good and the riches of my mind. Wealth is flowing to me now. I have an infinite supply of money to express appreciation with, right here, right now. I am in infinite abundance, right here, right now. My bank account is overflowing. All financial channels are open to me. There is an abundance of good being poured into my life now. I adore being financially free. I speak and think only of prosperity. I am an amazing example to others. Divine intelligence blesses me with the fun ideas to make my millions. The law of attraction brings all the prosperity I desire. I am financially independent and living my best life now.